So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound, and basically here we'll cover the second module. Make sure you have completed the first module, because if you try to just go to the second module you won't be able to get the points. So make sure you start from first one. Now come to the second one, and here first of all let me close it, and here you have to come to the challenge page, and here you can see launch option. So just launch it, and now here we have to perform this particular task. It's very easy and very convenient for you to complete. Do not worry. First of all we have to come over here, and here you can see the Silicon Valley Inn is live here. Now to close the notification you can just click on block, and here you can see this Agentforce icon. You have to click on it to just activate the chatbot. So just click on it and wait for it to get activated. It's taking some time. So finally it's ready. Now here we have to just click on got it and wait for the agent to get started. Now here multiple agents will be using in this particular course, basically complete course, but here in this module you have to select this particular guest agent. In case it is not visible like this, you have to select it. Now after that, once you have selected it, come over here, and here you can see this. You have to just copy it and just paste over here and hit enter. Now here it will take some time. Just wait for it. Now here you can see it's generated all the data. Now once the data is successfully generated, you have to basically assign it to particular user. So just come over here, and here you can see, just copy the second prompt, just hit enter. Again a new data is loaded. Now come over here, copy this third prompt, paste over here, hit enter. So this is also done. Now what we have to do, we have to come over here, and here just copy this prompt particularly, and then at last we have to just check the point. So once wait for this prompt to get completed. So finally here you can see we got the output. Now time for checking the score. Now click on this checkpoints. Now one more important thing I wanted to share. Basically, if you are new to the arcade program and want to win swags like Salesforce also, so for that also you can check the video description. Also check the playlist section for other challenges and more other things. So this is how we completed this second part of this module. Okay, now third module will be also live soon, so just stay tuned and subscribe the channel.